everyone, happy weekend. I hope you're having a great day. So as you already can probably tell, today I'm opening up my Simply Earth for September. So I am super excited. I think this might be the first September box I've opened. No, the second. So I can't believe time is flying. I say that every month, but so we have the September box. I love this subscription. So this is an essential oil recipe box. So if you're into essential oils and you have not heard of this box, you will love it. So today I will be unboxing the September box, like I said, and I also have a bonus box here to share with you guys. So I'm gonna link their website down below. I'll link all the pricing information, all of that, and I will put in the description box a code I have where you will get this free bonus box when you sign up. This is like a big box of stuff, so we will show you that, or I'll unbox this and show you that at the end of the video. So this box is so fun. Each month you get like 4 essential oils, and then you get all these recipes to make amazing things with those oils. So I cannot wait to see. I can't remember what the theme is this month. I know they gave us a sneak peek in August, but my memory is failing me right now. I love the August box so much. It had a skincare theme, so I can't wait to see what we've got here. So this is what the box looks like. Another great thing about this box is that they give back to charity. They give 13%, which is a large chunk. Like even 1% is amazing when people do stuff like that, but 13%, that is great. So I think they have a new charity every month. We'll learn about it when I open. And here's a little sticker here that says this was hand-packed by Cheryl. She looks like a lot of fun. So thanks, Cheryl. So let's get this open and see what's in the September box. So this is what it looks like when I open it. I have to hold it so the papers don't fall out. So on top we have stickers that we can apply to everything that we make this month, which is great. And then we have the recipe cards, and then everything we need is underneath. So what I usually do when I open this box is I go through the recipe cards and then just like grab things inside and show you them as we go along. Oh, I remember the theme now. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. All right, so I just kind of look through the cards so I can do this in a good order. So let's read a note from Katie, it says. Now you probably can't read that, so I will read it to you. So Katie is our recipe formulator and aromatherapist. How fun and easy is soap making? I've loved adding the Happy Joy facial soap to last month's skincare routine, and the flower, spice, and something nice soap is a great recipe to personalize a gift. We've also included some unusual oils you might not have used before. We believe using essential oils shouldn't be hard. That's why we always create blog posts with helpful information and even more recipes about each of the oils included in our recipe boxes. We also make videos and blog posts for each recipe, all to have making a natural home easy. I hope you've enjoyed making your home more natural with this month's box. If you have any questions about your box, please email us at help@simplyearth.com. All right, awesome. And there's one of the recipes on the back. Before we get into the recipes, let's talk about what the charity is this month. So it says this month you're giving 13% to Exodus Cry. We fight because every person should be free. This is Exodus Cry's war cry. 40+ million people are estimated to be trapped in prostitution. 98% are women and girls. This month we're partnering with Exodus Cry to change these statistics. Exodus Cry is working by shifting culture, changing laws, and reaching out to break the cycles, creating these startling statistics. Each month, 13% of all Simply Earth profits go towards ending human trafficking. We do this by partnering with difference-making organizations and supporting their work to end it. Thank you for joining them on their mission this month by buying this recipe box. Isn't that great? So we learned what the theme is, soap making, and we talked about the charity, and now we have 6 different recipes to go through. So let's start with the one that was on that card. On the back of that card it says Happy Joy Facial Soap. Oh, and cool, it says the time on here. I don't remember this from last time. So it says time, 5 minutes plus 15 minutes to cool. So that's a quick and easy craft. So ingredients, 3 tablespoons of glycerin soap base. And here we have this is the Simply Earth Aloe Glycerin Soap Base. The key ingredients are glycerin, aloe vera leaf juice. It's toxin-free, natural cleansing, and moisturizing. And then 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, which is optional, and you have to include that yourself from home. And then 6 drops of the Happy Joy Essential Oil Blend and the soap mold. So here is the soap mold, which is awesome. They provide this. And let's get the Happy blend out. the Happy Joy Essential Oil. So this is what it looks like. I love their packaging of their essential oils because it tells you what's inside it, how it's made, and it also gives you like a child safe age, because essential oils may not be safe for everyone, including children and also your pets. So always do some research before you use essential oils at home. I always say that, just a little disclaimer, just to make sure everyone is safe. So let's look at this. So this is 100% pure essential oil, 15 mLs. It says use for directions. Don't worry, be happy. Happy Joy will put you back in the cheerful mood you want to be in all day. The ingredients are geranium, sweet orange, grapefruit, and ylang ylang essential oil. And this is safe for children 10 and up. Let's smell this. Man, this smells so good. It kind of smells like soap, but like in citrus. This would be perfect for soap. Awesome. Facial soap. Okay, and then the instructions say, in a double boiler or in a small bowl in the microwave using 10-second intervals, heat the soap base until just melted. Once soap is just melted, remove from heat. Stir in the essential oils and lemon zest, pour into the mold, allow to cool, and you may put it in the fridge to speed up cooling. Once the soap is cooled, it's ready to be used. Wet face, lather, soap, and rinse. I'm so excited to try this. I've never made soap before. I've watched some like YouTube videos. This is like way simpler than what I've seen and so fun. So I can't wait, and that smelled really good. So let's move on to the next one I see here. This says flowers, spice, and something nice soap. It says time 5 minutes plus 15 minutes to cool. So what you need is 2 tablespoons of 1 ounce of the glycerin soap base, 2 teaspoons of dried flowers or small toy, so something you can like put inside it from home, 2 drops of the cajeput essential oil, 2 drops of the bay essential oil, soap mold, and a toothpick. So let's get those out. Am I saying that wrong? Cajeput? Here is the cajeput, or it's C-A-J-E-P-U-T. This is unique. They said we'd be getting some oils we may not have tried before. So since this is not a blend, it gives you more information. It says the plant part this comes from is leaves and twigs. Its origin is Indonesia. Ingredients, it says the plant name, Melaleuca cajaputi. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Aroma is fresh and camphorous. And this, let's see. It says keep out of reach from children on this one. So. This smells good. Very earthy. And then Bay, so this one's a little bit smaller. This is 5 mLs, the Bay one. And this comes from the plant part leaves, and its origin is Slovenia. It is Laurus nobilis, and its aroma is sweet camphor. So let's see what this is. This smells really good. Yeah. So, it says cajeput and bay essential oils aren't kid friendly. If you're making a soap for children, use 4 drops of a kid friendly essential oil like tangerine, lavender, cedarwood, fir needle, German chamomile, or our new Sweet Dreams blends. So that's good to know. See, they're very informative. I like that. But for the instructions for this one, it says in a double boiler or in the microwave using 10-second intervals, melt the soap base. Once the soap is just melted, remove from heat and stir in the essential oils. Fill a mold with soap base and add flowers or a small toy. If items float to the surface, use a toothpick to push them back into the soap. Once the soap is cooled, about 15 minutes, it's ready to be used. Wet hands, lather, soap, and rinse. Awesome. Next one is a sugar scrub soap bar, and this says this also takes 5 minutes and then it's 15 minutes to cool. So you need 1 tablespoon or 0.5 ounces of the glycerin soap base, 2 tablespoons of sugar, which you have to get from home, but I think most people probably have sugar in their house, 3 drops of the Happy Joy Essential Oil blend, 1 drop of the Bay Essential Oil, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon, which is optional and also something you'd have to provide from home, and the soap mold. So in a double boiler or in the microwave, again, use 10-second intervals to heat the soap base until just melted. It seems like that's what we do for all these. And once the soap is just melted, remove from heat, stir in the essential oils, cinnamon, and sugar. This will cause the soap to begin to solidify. Gently reheat the mixture until just melted. Pour into the mold, allow bar to cool and harden. To use, scrub and lather body in the bath or shower. That's so awesome. So this base right here, this is enough for all of them. This is 3 ounces, so for just example, like that sugar scrub bar, you need 0.5 ounces, so you can break this up, which is great. I feel feel like I'm gonna sneeze. And then on the back of that one, it talks more about each of the oils, which is nice. I feel like they gave us a good idea, but if you wanna know what that Cajeput essential oil does, it says its uses are to relieve congestion, minor pain, inflammation, and muscle spasms. It has a fresh, fruity, and herbaceous aroma. This oil can cause breathing problems with young children, so don't use it or diffuse around young children. It's also best to avoid using this oil on damaged skin. So that's good to know. I've never heard of that oil. So let's move on to the next one, and this is a diffuser blend. So this is the flour and spice diffuser blend recipe, and the time it takes is 1 minute. And what you need is 2 drops of the Happy Joy Essential Oil blend, 1 drop of the Lemongrass Essential Oil, 1 drop of Cajeput Essential Oil, and 1 drop of Bay Essential Oil. So here is the lemongrass. I think I just got lemongrass in my Bombay and Cedar box the other day, so I'm not gonna open this now. I love the smell of it. So the plant part is the leaves. Its origin is India. Ingredients: Cymbopogon flexososis. I don't know. Why do I even try and say that? Aroma is earthy and citrusy, and this is safe for children 10 and up. So awesome. So all you do is add the essential oils to a diffuser and diffuse in an open room for a spicy and floral aroma. And if you love this blend, you can create a master blend with a 5 ml blend bottle from your bonus box. Use 40 drops Happy Joy, 20 drops lemongrass, 20 drops Cajeput, and 20 drops Bay Essential Oils, and 1 to 3 drops from your master blend to your diffuser, and then you're ready to go. Awesome. And my little battery thing is going off, so let's keep going. The Happy Joy roll-on. So for this, it says it takes 2 minutes. The ingredients are 6 drops of the Happy Joy Essential Oil, 10 ml of almond oil, and 10 ml roll-on bottle. And we get the almond oil in the roll-on bottle with your bonus box, so that is great. So if you sign up, you will get a bonus box with all the stuff to make this. So all you have to do is add essential oils to the roll-on bottle, swirl to mix, fill the rest of the way with almond oil. To use, apply blend to pulse points to promote feelings of happiness and joy. Awesome. And the last recipe in this box is lemongrass, Cajeput, and bay compress. The time it takes to make this is 2 minutes. The ingredients are 2 drops of the Cajeput, 3 drops of lemongrass, 2 drops of bay essential oil, 4 cups of water, and a small towel or washcloth. The instructions say to heat or cool water to desired temperature. Add essential oils directly to water and stir. Soak towel into mixture. Wring out towel to desired wetness and apply to affected area. Refresh compress once it reaches body temperature. And then the instructions on the back continue, and it says, this recipe is a variety of possible applications from fever reducing to pain relief. Here are suggested temperatures for different uses. For cold use pain due to inflammation or varicose veins, and use it warm to help cramps, fever, and congestion. Awesome, these are gonna be so fun. I cannot wait to make soap. And we have a sneak peek for next month for October, and I am so excited. The theme is fall candles. So are we gonna make candles? I love candles so much. It says, raise your hand if you love the smell of fall. Next month, we've got some great fall aromas heading your way, and we're making candles. While you're eagerly awaiting your next box, think about picking out some little containers you'd like to make your candles in. The oils we'll be getting next month are Kasia, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. So that'll be new, that's cool. Orange, I love orange. Balsam Fir and Focus Blend Essential Oils. Bonus items are soy wax and wicks. Recipes to look forward to: 2 candles, lip balm, aromatherapy rice bag, pain relief roll-on, and a fall-inspired diffuser blend. Oh my god, next month sounds amazing and perfect for fall. So before we go, let me show you quick what comes in the bonus box. So again, this is what it looks like. So inside the bonus box, you'll get some beeswax, some coconut oil. This is a good size too, 355 mLs. Almond oil, coconut oil, and there's 10 different little roll-ons. So there's 5 of the roll-ons, and then 5 of these small little blends. So you can make your own master blend in here or your own roll-on, and there's 5 of each. So you get all of that in your bonus box for free when you sign up. And these come in handy for recipes, and also it's just so nice to have stuff like this around. So yeah, if you guys love this box, definitely take advantage of that free bonus box to help you with your recipes, and you can use them to do even more fun stuff. This is such a fun subscription to get each month. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.